Hi, Dan Green here, and welcome to the Gamerpay full technical demo. So what you're going to see here is literally exactly the same experience you will have if you buy Gamerpay. So you see, Gamerpay is a web-based platform that lets you create your own affiliate site about any of the world's top games, including Fortnite, World of Warcraft. In fact, you can create your site about any game you want. So what I'm going to do is just register here. So you can register an account with Gamerpay with using the email address that you used to purchase. So once you've purchased, you just register and you go straight into the system. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to create our site. So the first thing we need to do is choose our game. Now you can see we've got 25 of the most popular games in the world right now. Games that have got massive audiences, massive following, huge engagement behind them. These are the games that everyone is searching for right now, looking for great sources of information. So we've got everything from World of Warcraft, Fortnite, Minecraft, many more. But we also provide this custom option here. So you can create a Gamerpay site about literally any game you want. So any game you are passionate about, any game you want to have a website about and potentially make affiliate commissions from, you can use this custom option. And we've got a full training video dedicated to this to show you how you can get that set up. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use Fortnite. So obviously Fortnite is a hugely popular game right now, and that's what I'm going to choose for this example demo. So the next thing we need to do is we need to just quickly give our site a title. So I'm going to just call this Fortnite News. Of course, you can call your site whatever you want. I'm also going to choose a subdomain here. Now, the reason I'm choosing a subdomain is I'm going to have my Fortnite site hosted by Gamerpay. So we're going to actually have this fully hosted for us. But if you do want to, you can choose your own domain. So if you've got your own separate domain that you want to use, or you want to register a different domain for your site, you can do that. And I'll show you how that all works later on in the demo. So I'm just going to go ahead here and just do Fortnite News. Okie doke. And then the next thing we need to do is we can enter our Amazon affiliate ID. So I'm just going to put here my Amazon affiliate ID. And we just put this in because that is the way, by default, our sites are monetized with Amazon as an Amazon affiliate. However, as I'll show you later on in the demo, we've got lots of other options for how you can monetize your site, but this is by far the easiest way. It gets you set up and running right away, and it means you've got a fully done for you great site all about your chosen game that's fully monetized for you and ready to go off the bat. And by the way, guys, don't worry if you don't have an Amazon affiliate ID right now. The Amazon affiliate program is free for anyone to join. They instantly approve you, and you'll be able to get your Amazon affiliate ID within seconds. And of course, we've got a full training video showing you how to do that. But it really is very simple. So all these things are added, and guys, think about it. If I hadn't spent all this time explaining, how long would it take me to enter all that information? Maybe just a few seconds. So within just a few seconds, we're ready to go and click our button here to create our site. And that is it. So we'll just let Gamerpay go ahead and generate our site for us here. Okay, so that's it, guys. So let's go and have a look at our site that we've just created. And wow, isn't it stunning? We have created, just with one click, just by choosing our game, we have got an incredible website that has been designed and hosted for us with amazing content, with pre-done monetization with ads for amazing gaming offers on Amazon, all with our Amazon affiliate ID embedded, so each time someone clicks and buys, we get full credit for the sale. So our site looks absolutely, I'm sure you will agree, it looks absolutely stunning outside of the box. Every game has its own unique backgrounds, its own unique colours, its own unique theme to really fit in with your chosen game. And this will look exactly, I promise you, it will look exactly like this just the moment you click that button to create your site. And you never need to touch your site design again. But we do also provide lots and lots of different design options, so you can choose to have your site look how you want it. So each game has got several pre-done backgrounds created for you by us that you can choose. So if you want to change your background here, you can do that. You can also change so we generate the titles and subtitle by default, but you could go ahead and change that if you wanted. So perhaps I don't want to put that to rumors, and then maybe I'd put that to rumors as well. Just as an example, you can change the main sort of theme color for your site here. You can choose where your game reviews appear. I'll show you game reviews a bit later on. There's a bunch of different color options. You can even choose to remove this background image if you want. If you want to, you can also choose to upload your own logos. So if you don't want to use this logo, you can change your own one. And you can also choose to upload your own background images for this top section here as well. So we've got loads and loads of different options there. So you would just go here, you would just choose your file, etc. We also have options to integrate social media. So if you want to create some social media pages for your site, so perhaps a Facebook page, Twitter profile, whatever, you can do that. We've got some SEO options here. So this will just be what is sent to Google for what is displayed with your search engine ranking. And we also put some embed codes. These are just embed codes here, which work with for custom domains, which again, I'll come back to and explain later on in the demo. But yeah, loads and loads of design options so you can get your site looking exactly how you want it, but they do all look absolutely great out of the box. All of the sites designed to look amazing with each game, whatever game you choose. All of this content is absolutely incredible. Let's take a look at some of it. So let's take a look at this one here. So this content is all created for us. Look at it with all these images. Amazing full readable text. All of it 100% original to rank your site on Google. Remember, according to Google themselves, original content is these days by far the most important factor to rank your site on Google. And that's exactly what Gamerpay will do for you. It will create loads of original great posts. Look, out of the box you get a bunch of posts. Every day it creates more and more, all of them completely relevant to your game, all about the latest news, reviews, tips, tactics. It's content your visitors and importantly Google will love. Okay, so at this point you may be thinking, okay, so this content here that's being created for us, it looks great, but where's it actually coming from? How can it possibly be creating original content from nothing, all about our chosen game? Well, let me explain. So I head back to our dashboard here, and then if we go to our game and go to blog content sourcing. So we go here. Now you can see that for each game, you can add YouTube channels which are related to your game. Now we have added some channels for each game by default for you, so that you have content done for you right out of the box. You don't have to do any work. But if you want to, you could go and find other YouTube channels related to your game. So if I head over to YouTube now, I'll just open a window, and then thanks. Okay, and if I'm just going to put Fortnite in here, obviously that's our chosen game, and I'm going to filter it and find a channel. So for example, the official Fortnite one here. So all I would do is copy this, and then I go back to the site, back to the dashboard here, and then add a new source and paste it in. And you can add as many different YouTube channels as you want. And what will happen is that the Gamerpay will actually, when new videos are added to your chosen channel, it will actually turn those videos into text. So you will actually get new posts created like this, which are auto-transcribed from your chosen channels. So you will actually get original content, which is the words from the video turned into text, original text on your channel. How amazing is that? Okay, so that's how the automated content works. But of course, if you want to, we can add our own content, our own manual posts too. So if we just go here and we go posts, and then we click to create a new blog post, at this point you've now got an entire visual editor that works kind of just like WordPress or any other blogging tool, where you can create your own blogs, you can add your own featured image, you can add your own title. So if you want to share your own latest Fortnite news, maybe your own latest tips or tactics or discussion on the current meta, you can add them all in here. So this, like I said, this is a full visual editor. So my latest Fortnite thoughts, and then you could go ahead and do that. And of course, you can you can do anything you want with this. You could add in a picture. You could add in a video from any of these different channels, or you could upload your own. You've got full ability to create your own custom posts whenever you want. So if we just go back to the posts here. And of course, at any point, we can also edit any of these. So if we just look at this one here, you could go in and have a look at this one here. You can go in and you could change any of this. Maybe there's something you don't like. Maybe there's something you want to change. You've got full control. You can literally do anything you want. Maybe you want to put your own video in here. Anything you want, you can change all of this. Any of the posts that you don't like, well, again, you could just go in and you can delete them. You've got absolute full control over Gamerpay. Remember, this is what Gamerpay is about. It can be as simple to use as you want, or it can give you as much control as you want. Okay, so we've talked a lot about content there and how we get original content. Either we create our own, or we use YouTube to auto-transcribe new content in for us. Of course, original content is really important, because that's how we rank our site on Google. That's how we get traffic to our site that comes to success. But perhaps even more importantly than that, we need to actually be able to monetize our site. We need to be able to generate commissions as an affiliate. It's great. It's really fun having your own your own websites about your favorite games. But it's even more that we're important that we're able to generate commissions. And by default, the way we do this with Gamerpay, so this is how you can just get your site set up and get you potentially earning commissions right away, is we have these ads that are completely done for you by us, and they change every day. They're daily deals for Amazon offers related to video gaming accessories, games, and consoles. For example, here, so if we click on this, you can see that all of these are huge discounts. So this is really, really appealing to your visitors, and they change every single day. So every day, Amazon puts out their latest daily deals, and we create ads that run on your site that are related to them. And you see here that if we click to it and we go through, it links to the deal, and you can see that this is the discount here. And what's more important is whenever one of your visitors clicks on this, your Amazon affiliate ID is automatically embedded there. So if they were to go and then buy this daily deal through your link, you would get full credit for the sale. So that's a completely done for you instant monetization method. You don't have to do anything other than add your Amazon affiliate ID, and you've got a completely done for you monetized site with amazing discounts and gaming related offers. And remember, they update every single day. But of course, this being Gamerpay, there's two options. You can do things the ultra easy way, where we do everything for you and you can just get going right away. Or you can have your own take on things and get things set up exactly how you want them. And with ads, it's no different. So if we go in here, you can see these are all the ads that we've already set up, pre-configured for you, that update with Amazon deals every day. But if you want to, you can add your own ads, or perhaps if you wanted to, you could go in and edit any of these. But anyway, let's go in here and imagine we wanted to set up our own ad. And remember, you can place these pretty much anywhere you want on your site. So I could, if I wanted to, I could add a ClickBank offer. And then we make that super simple by you just literally copying and pasting the advertising code from ClickBank in here. You could add your own image ad. So if you've got your own, if you want to create your own ad, create your own image for your own ad and then put your own affiliate link in, or put a link to, I don't know, maybe you wanted to sell your own product on your site. You could create your own you can create your own banner ad image and then link to your own website. So here you would just go in, choose the image you wanted for your ad, and then put the link in for where you want it to go. You could then choose where you wanted it to be displayed, so perhaps on a specific page or in a pre-designed spot or on a designated blog post. We've got loads and loads of options. So if you want to, yeah, we do done for you advertising, but you've got loads of options to be able to add your own ads in whatever way you want. And I'll also just mention at this point that if you want to use AdSense to monetize your site, you can do that, and all you need to do is just enter your AdSense code in here in the JavaScript code for your ad, and that'll work absolutely fine. And again, you can choose multiple predefined slots. You can choose what pages, blog posts, or you can just have them to display on another page. You've got loads and loads of options. Okay, so one thing we haven't talked about so far, which I think is really, really exciting actually. So if you scroll down, you'll see this pops up here, saying if you opt in here, you can get Fortnite news to your inbox, and this is basically a way to build a mailing list, so you can send gaming related offers, Fortnite related offers, whatever offers you want to your subscribers. But this is really, really slick. So I'll show you how it works. So this is all set up and completely deployed for you. Now, by default, we've set it to appear here as a kind of a pop-up when people scroll down, but we provide loads of options, so you can put your opt-in form wherever you want. Not only that, the opt-ins are all completely fully integrated within the system, so you don't need to have a third-party mailing system. You don't need to use like an Aweber or a GetResponse. You don't need a third-party autoresponder. It's all inbuilt for you. So you can see here we can have, we've got some automatic lists that have already been created for you, but you can add unlimited lists. We've also got different campaigns. So if you wanted to create a new email and then send it out to one of your lists, to send it out to your subscribers, promoting a new offer, you can do that whenever you want. And we've got loads of different scheduling options. On top of all that, you can see here, this is the default opt-in form, which is this one here. But we could, if maybe we didn't like that, we could go ahead and delete it, or we can create some other ones. So I'll not go into this now, but basically you can create your own opt-in forms. You can choose which site to be placed on, so it would be Fortnite. Choose which list. So if I wanted to, I could create a new list, and you could change whatever it says up here. So I could put a new title. So opt-in now for news. You could put a subheading in if you want. Example subheading. You can change all the colors. You can put in some different notices. You can choose to require extra fields, and then you've got a bunch of different options for where this wants to be shown. So let's go ahead and add this to the index sidebar. I'll just give it a quick name. Example opt-in. And we'll save the opt-in form. Okay, so on top of obviously being able to create your own opt-ins if you want, being able to create your own custom lists, and by the way, we support unlimited amounts of lists, unlimited amounts of subscribers, and you can send unlimited amounts of emails. As I mentioned before, it's very simple to create your own email. You just come in here, you create one, choose the list you want to send to, and that will go out to all your subscribers on that list. You can promote anything you want, any gaming related offer. In fact, you don't even have to send marketing emails. You might just want to send fun messages to your visitors and subscribers, news updates, whatever you want. But on top of being able to do these manually, we also provide two different completely done for you automated email campaigns. One is called Amazon Deals, which when enabled will automatically every day send out the latest Amazon deals. So you remember these things here, guys, the things we have the banner ads for. They will all be sent out by email with your Amazon affiliate link automatically embedded. So your subscribers will receive automated Amazon deals by default that you can generate Amazon commissions from. And also we can send out game reviews to when this is enabled here. So if you choose to have this enabled, that will send out regular reviews of new gamer releases that are able to be bought on Amazon, again with your Amazon affiliate ID embedded. So that's 2 new income streams here if you choose to have these disabled. If you choose to have these enabled. And of course, if you want to, you can shut these off and just do it manually, whatever you want. With Gamerpay, you're in control. Now, something we haven't actually touched on yet is review posts. Now, in Gamerpay, by default, we will create reviews for upcoming and recently released games that are available for sale on Amazon. Now, review posts will appear just as a normal blog post like this on your site. And you can see here that this one has just been posted, Persona 5 Strikers, and there's a few more scheduled to be coming up in the next over the next few days for new great games. All of them feature an in-depth video review, in-depth review of the game done for you by us, and with an in-depth text review as well, all about the game. All of them feature buy buttons that link to be able to buy the game on Amazon on various different platforms. So if we click here, you'll see. And each of these buy buttons has your Amazon affiliate link ID embedded for you as well. If this game, I think, Persona 5 wasn't available on Xbox, so if it was, the Xbox buy button would be there. So it's giving your recommendation of games to your visitors, and it is embedding your Amazon affiliate link ID so that they can go and buy it on any platform they want. And once again, all of these reviews are fully editable, so if there's something in them that you don't like or you want to change, you can go in and do that. And also, you can create your own reviews if you wish to as well. So once again, another incredible monetization method for you. And remember, if you do have, if we go back to the mailing list here, campaigns, if you do have the game reviews automation campaign enabled, these will actually be sent out to your subscribers by email as well. One thing I did just want to mention as a nice little feature just before we close it out are the pages. So if we go and have a look here, we can create our own custom pages. So I'll just do an example. Let's do an About Us page. This is just literally as an example. Maybe you want to do it. You might want to do a Contact Us page. You might want to do, I don't know, anything you want. Maybe you want to do your own personal favorite tactic, or have a static page on the current meta on your game. Whatever you want, you can do it. So I'm just going to put my custom page. Just keep it really simple. Again, this is a full visual editor, so if you wanted to, you can set your own images, you can set videos, change fonts, change colors, whatever you want. I'm just going to go ahead and just save that just to show you what this looks like. So if you go back to, you can see that our About Us page has been created here, and you can create as many different pages as you want. It's all just, really simple. I haven't really gone into much detail, but hopefully you get your idea. I just want to close it out by just, as I did mention earlier in the video at the very beginning about custom domains, you can, of course, use your own custom domain. So we've got a full tutorial on how you can do that. So you can have your site, basically you would control, how it works is you would go into your gamerpay.app here, do all your edits, manage your site through that, but it will appear on your own domain. So if you don't want to have your site hosted for you on a subdomain by us, if you want to have your own hosting with your own domain, you can do that, and it's all taken care of in here.